Hello, good evening, everyone. Very good evening to all of you. Very good evening, all of you. Yes, can I have some quick comments? If you can hear my voice clearly and if you can see the screen also. Yes, can I have some quick comments, guys? If you can hear my voice clearly. Hello. Yes, can I have some quick comments, guys? Very good evening, all of you. Hi, this is Vaishali Kamdar from Spark Academy. And yes, today we will be completing Living World. Half of the chapter we have done yesterday, half chapter we are doing today. So I hope all of you. Yes, hello, good evening, Kiran. Am I audible clearly, Kiran? Can I have some quick comments, please? So this is half session, remaining part of the Living World we will be doing today. Before jumping into the living world, let me remind you, all of you, that you can join us, you can follow us on these links given below. That is sparkacademyonline.com, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Spark Academy Online. Okay, thank you so much, Kiran. So this is our team, and on daily basis we are conducting live sessions. In session we are clearing your doubts, and free material is available on our app. So tips and tricks for the Eamcet, JEE, NEET we are sharing there. Admissions are open right now for classroom as well as online coaching, so you can download the app, that is Spark Academy app. So you can check the logo over here. What is the logo of Spark Academy? So that blue color, blue and yellow white color, Spark Academy. So in that, from the App Store or Play Store, you can download this app, and then yes, you can have access that which all courses we are offering right now. So this is the schedule. If you are not knowing the schedule of the online sessions or free live sessions on YouTube, you can have a look here. YouTube classes on daily basis 5 to 8 p.m. 3 hours. You can say here, yes, Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday, this is time for English. So yes, biology and English, and then simultaneously you will be having math class for MPC students. 6 to 7 physics class, 7 to 8 chemistry class. Wednesdays and Thursdays, this thing will be going to discussed in Telugu. So for Telugu preference, you can join on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Yes, this is me, Vaishali Kamdar, and yes, I am your biology teacher. You can use this code to join Spark Academy. Any of the course you can opt, and you can use this code for that. That is VAI10. VAI Vaishali 10, and you will be getting huge discount on all our courses. Weightage of this unit: diversity in living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, 3 chapters. Mostly from this chapter only one question is asked, but biological classification 3 to 4 questions, plant kingdom 3 questions mostly. Yes, today we will be focusing on diversity in the living world. Half chapter we have done yesterday, that is living thing, what is living thing, and what are the different characteristics of living things. Different characteristics like growth, reproduction, metabolism, and consciousness and cellular organization. Consciousness or respond to stimuli. So which of these are defining, which are not defining, that we have discussed yesterday. What are the twin characteristics of growth? In which case, in which type of organism growth is synonymous to the reproduction? All these things we have discussed yesterday. Right now it's time to discuss about the diversity. What is diversity, guys? Diversity is the sum total of the variations. So different varieties of the organism present over the biosphere, on the biosphere, that is known as diversity. So diversity versus classification. Diversity is the sum total of the variation. You can say sum of the total living species. And well known and discovered till this point, I mean till today, 1.7 to 1.8 species are known. Uh, all known. So it is believed that the total number of existing species on the earth range from the 9 to 52 million, but out of only 1.7 million are discovered. So yes, hello Niharika. So yes, Niharika, Kiran, and those who have joined, you can be a part of this thing. You can discover one of the species, and yes, your name will be. I mean, you will be the author for that particular species. You can publish that in international journal. Right. So yes, it is believed that 9 to 52 million, but only 1.7 is known today. So you can go to the check the hotspots of biodiversity, and from there you can discover a new species. Need for the classification of organism. What is the need? There are millions of the plants and animals around us, out of which we only know the plants and animals in our area and call them by their local names. So as the language changes, so does these local names vary from the place to place. So the scientists then decide that to make a fixed universal solution for the same, and then started working on the grouping and naming task of the organism. So why the need to classify? Yes, it will help to learn what it will help to learn what? Yes, it will help to learn importance to estimate the interrelationship between the organism. The basic of the development of the organism, and thus develops the base of the science stream. And the variety of biological studies are dependent on the identification classification of organism. So three domains of the life. Carl Woese is a famous microbiologist and biophysicist who became more famous for introducing Archaea kingdom to the already existing five kingdom classification. You know five kingdom classification, right? Given by R.H. Whitaker. So according to him, it is Monera, protista, plants, fungi, animals. But Carl Woese introduced a new domain in kingdom Monera, that is Archaea, Archaebacteria. So he introduced Archaea on the basis of the sequence of the 16S ribosomal RNA gene. So this basis of the 16S ribosome sequence helped the microbiology science to achieve many new heights. Woese found that the six domains naturally join into the three major domains of Archaea, bacteria. So that is Archaea, bacteria. Just a second. Let me place this. Archaea, bacteria and eukarya. So the domains belong to the common ancestor. Just a second, guys. Yes. Domains belong to the common ancestor called progenage is still a belief amongst the scientists. So domain is a category which is level up from the kingdom. So you can say kingdom. Above the kingdom, there are three domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Because protista, plant, fungi, animals, all of them are eukaryotes. So that's why bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Taxonomy and systematics.